Here at HEB, we're gonna do a video. What are the healthy foods for kids? Yay! So stay tuned, kids, so you can learn. Cord coming. Let's go. Hey, magic, bring it home. Wow, that's a girl. Do you want that?
Yeah.
So we're at the grocery store, me and Ryan and Mama. Super Ryan, Super Mama, Super Daddy. And we're gonna do a video with the healthy foods for kids. So first, we're gonna go with the yogurts. Yogurts are healthy for kids. Well, not all kind of yogurts. We gotta get, what kind of yogurts do we get? Oh, we're gonna get the Paw Patrol. The Paw Patrol yogurts. They're not, this one's not healthy, Mama? So which one's the healthy ones? Organic? This one's? Okay, we're gonna take this ones. This ones. These ones are real healthy because they're organic. Right here. Organic. Oh.
And go see the toys.
Toys not healthy food for kids. So another healthy food for kids is almond milk.
The toy station.
Toy station? Okay,
Yes.
we'll go later. First we're gonna get the healthy food for kids.
And now go see the toys.
The toys?
Yes.
Okay. We'll get the toys. So Mama's gonna get the healthy food. That it's almond milk. Almond milk, Ryan. We got a lot of milks here. But has to be almond. And we got it right here. We got the almond milk, original almond milk. This is another healthy food for kids. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So we got two already. Say hi to your friends on YouTube. We're gonna go to the toy station right now, but first we're gonna get the healthy foods for kids. So we're already in two. We got two. We got the yogurt and we got the almond milk. All right. Hola, amigos. What are you gonna say? What are you gonna say? Subscribe.
Bye.
Subscribe to my channel.
Bye my channel.
For my Ryan's YouTube channel.
My Ryan's channel.
Eggs. Hit eggs is the really important ones. And we're gonna take the organic ones. We're gonna take this one. Organic eggs. This was another one. Another healthy food for kids. Milk, we got the almond milk, we got the yogurts, we got eggs. Another one that's real healthy, it's gonna be the turkey bacon. Where's the turkey bacon? Do you see the turkey bacon, Ryan? Do you see it anywhere? This is regular bacon. We need turkey bacon. And it's over here. Turkey bacon. It's another real healthy food for kids. And we're gonna take it. Come on, Ryan. Or which one do you want?
Yellow.
Yellow one? You want the Peter Pan? So another one is gonna be peanut butter. It's really good for kids. And we're gonna take this one. You like it? You like almond butter, right?
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah, that is glass.
So this is another one. Almond butter is really good for kids. We're gonna take this one too. Kids. So we got how many healthy foods do we got? We got the egg, we got the almond butter, we got the yogurt, we got the turkey bacon, we got the almond butter, we got the peanut butter. We got a lot of food already for kids. Mama's getting more groceries, so me and Ryan, we're hiding from Mom. And we're here at the toy station. So what do you see, Ryan? Do you see something good on the... Oh, we got Lightning McQueen's over here! We got Lightning McQueen's.
That one.
Yeah, this one. We got Lightning McQueen's. Okay.
For the mud. For the mud.
Did you see what I have here? What's in here?
Papa Pig.
They got Paw Patrols. Oh, look. Oh, you got that one already. You got that one. Do you have that one? You don't have it, right? No, but I think the Lightning McQueens are better, no? Look at that. Ryan got some Lightning McQueen. So now let's go back to our mission. We gotta go look for more healthy fruit for kids. This one's another healthy food for kids. They're called lentils. In Spanish, they're called lentejas. So this is another healthy food for kids. Oh, you want that one, but they don't have it there. So we're gonna take this one too. So we're in the water. Water's really, really, really healthy for kids too. This one's Ryan's favorite water. We got a lot of water here, but this one is the best water. Ryan loves this water. So we're gonna take some of these. Really good water. Water's healthy also. All right. So here's another one, another healthy one for Ryan.
That one is right here.
Yeah. Right now we're gonna go get it, dude. So another one is gonna be ground beef. The 93 lean and 7 fat. This one's really good also for kids. Another healthy one. Ryan loves ground beef. He loves it, right, Ryan? You love ground beef?
Yeah.
Good job, Ryan. For another one, it's gonna be sweet potatoes. Ryan loves sweet potatoes. And Daddy loves regular potatoes. I don't like sweet potato. But I gotta start eating sweet potatoes. Because Mommy told me to buy sweet potatoes. So we're gonna take this one too. Also gonna take some asparagus. This ones are real good also for kids. And Ryan loves eating asparagus. Yeah, see you when you don't sleep, dude. So another one that it's a must in the house is bananas. Because Ryan loves bananas. Two. Look at that. There's a lot of apples. Apples are really good too. How many do you want, Ryan? How many do you want to take? Just one?
Yes.
Just one apple? Or you want to take a lot of apples? Just one apple?
Yes.
Apples and bananas. I want to eat apples and bananas. We have to wash it, dude. You can't eat it like that. We gotta wash it first. So another one, another fruit. Oh, now we're in the fruits. Apples are real good. Be spinach, right, Ryan? Spinach. You like drinking some morning in the shake. You like drinking shakes in the morning with spinach and almond milk and bananas. That's Ryan's shake in the morning. And they're gonna be organic. Ryan loves organic stuff.
You need that one.
Yeah. Ryan totally loves to eat in the mornings. And we got the strawberries. Right, Ryan? You love strawberries?
I go get that one.
Yes, but do you like strawberries?
I like strawberries.
And they're organic. Your favorite ones?
I go get that
Oh, we
one,
already got
that
them in there. Mommy already put them.
one. I go get that one.
Also, you like blackberries too, right?
Yes.
And what else? Raspberries. Oh, raspberries. This one's raspberries. They're super good for Ryan. So we're looking for cereals because Ryan loves cereals. Oh, and Ryan decided to change the cars, and we got with the we're going with the cruise. So we're looking for healthy cereals for
What
Ryan.
is that?
As a piston cup.
No.
That's a piston cup. So, oh man, I've tried this ones. They're really good. So we're gonna go with Cheerios. I used to
I
eat
need that one.
when I was in school in elementary. I would eat
I
this a
need
lot.
that one. That
For
one.
breakfast.
I need that one.
Breakfast.
I need that one.
So we're having fun. Saturday. It's a Saturday fun for us. Fun Saturday.
And
doing some healthy grocery shopping for Ryan.
I'm going to play different.
Well, not only for Ryan, for
I'm
Daddy and
gonna
Mommy
play
too.
different
We gotta
And
stay
I'm
healthy.
Get the cars.
super good for you. It's gonna be coconut water. Ryan likes coconut water. Oh, Mommy got some coconut water too. Mommy's copying Daddy. But they're both good. But mine's cold. Mommy coconut water hot. So we're just leaving HEB, the groceries. We did a video on the healthy food and fruits for kids. And Ryan got a toy today. He got a Lightning McQueen toy. So let us know. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Thumbs up. We're gonna play right now. And we're gonna have some fun. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Subscribe.
Bye bye.
Subscribe. Thumbs up. Good job, Ryan.